Located in Gladstone, New Jersey, is Hamilton Farms Golf Club. This incredible, stunning, high-end private golf course is steeped with history, and we're going to walk through its rolling terrain here in the Somerset Hills. While this 36-hole luxurious complex is one of the largest private country club estates in the United States, when it was first built. And we're going to go through its history because it was first built in 1911 when James Cox Jr. decided, who was a wildly wealthy investor, purchased 180 acres of land for $18,000. He named the property that it's named today, Hamilton Farms, in tribute of his wife, Elizabeth. Over a decade, Bradley spent millions of dollars expanding the land into 5,000-acre major estate that crossed 3 different New Jersey counties. And it operates as a self-sustained working farm and produced its own food and house prize award-winning livestock. In 1921, there was a fire that took place that burnt down the grounds. He had to rebuild a 62-room brick mansion equipped with 11 fireplaces, 2 elevators at the time, and a private chapel. In 1971, a fire hit again. Long after the passing of Bradley, the estate was sold to a corporation. Shockingly, right after the deal was closed, another major fire broke out into the mansion, and the company chose to fully rebuild and restore the estate to the original property that was as a corporate retreat at the time. In 1917, Bradley constructed this 50-acre stable, which is one of the largest at the time for private stables in the United States. In World War II, Bradley's window converted the stable into an emergency hospital that helped retreat the military at the time and the Marines. It also has an Olympic connection. Following the war, the headquarters of the training grounds of the United States Equestrian Team. Today, the U.S. Olympic horse racing, right before the tech boom in 1992, at the height of the tech boom, a company called Lucent Technology, which was a telecom giant at the time, purchased the estate. Their goal was to create a luxury corporation golf sanctuary with just 18 holes for their elite members and corporate members. They hired famous golf designers Dana Fry and Michael Zen to help build this course and design 2 completely different golf courses from the old pastures and horse trails. Now, a championship golf course stretching over 7,000 yards was built, and that was the Highlands Course, which had sweeping elevation changes, and the Hickory Course, which is the second course, which was spotted in golf history as the very first fully USGA-rated all-par 3 course in the United States. In 2001, as the tech bubble burst, Lucent abandoned the property and was purchased by the Tolson family and completed the construction and the opening of Hampton Farms as a premier private-only golf club. This is a major facility with a stunning 64-room mansion clubhouse and a venue for televised professional golf. It has tested both the best females and in LPGA events that have been hosted here, and amateur and professionals. That's it for this video. It still remains a covenant location that I would look forward to maybe getting over there and doing an interview, or more importantly, hearing from you about the history of this golf course if you played it yourself. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.